What's happening, guys? Rob from myppctraining.com. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to track conversions in AdWords. Alright, so there's three different types of conversions you need to track. There is contact form submission leads conversions, call extension conversions, and people who land on your website from AdWords and decide to just call a number on the website or click a number to call on the website. Alright, those are the three main conversions we need to set up today. And it's really simple to do. You're going to log into your AdWords account. You can see here we have our campaigns. You're going to come up here to Tools, come over here to Conversions, hit this little plus sign, and the first one we'll set up is contact form submission leads. We're going to track those. So contact form submissions, whatever. Choose lead. You can assign a value per lead. You don't have to. You count every conversion you want to count as one. You don't want to count every because you could get multiple conversions for one conversion that way, and your data will be all off. So choose one. Leave this the same. Create and continue. You're going to install the tag. So first you have to install the global site tag. This is installed on every single page of your website between the head tag. Or if you're on a landing page, if you're using a landing page for AdWords, this goes between the head tag on your landing page. All right, that's it. It's really that simple. Next up is the event snippet code. This code is only installed on the thank you page that shows after a form is submitted. So after someone lands on your site and submits a contact form, they should be redirected to a thank you page. That thank you page, this code needs to go in the head tag of that thank you page. Then you hit next and you're done with that conversion. And once you do that, we're all set up to track contact form submissions, so that's done. Next up, we'll do ad extension. So we come up here to phone calls. Check this box here, calls from ads using call extensions or call only ads. And obviously I can't spell today. Call extension. Category lead. We're not going to use a value. You can if you want to. Make sure it's on 1. And this is important. Call length. So you're telling Google when to fire the pixel to count as a lead. After 60 seconds of a phone call, after 5 seconds, after whatever. We usually just do 25 seconds. After 25 seconds of the phone ringing, Google will fire the pixel and it will count as a lead. Okay? You can really put that whatever you want though. Oops, I already have that name. Let's try just throwing an S on it. There we go. Alright, so that's set up. Call extension set up. Now I'm going to show you how to go into a campaign and actually use it, that conversion. So we have to leave conversions for a second. Let's say we wanted to set up that call extension tracking on a campaign. Go into your campaign. Go over here to ads and extensions. You're going to come up here and you're going to sort so you can only see the call extensions you're using, or if you don't have one, you're going to set up a new one by hitting this plus sign and setting up call extension. So first you would choose the campaign that you're in, drop your phone number in here, make sure call reporting's on, and this is where you set up the call tracking. Alright, check this box, pull from the drop down menu to your call extension tracking conversion pixel we just created, choose that, hit save. That's it. That's all you would do. Or if you already have one, you just go into it and do the same thing. Okay? Really, really simple. The last one, the last conversion we have to set up is tracking calls from your website directly. Now, we usually use third-party call tracking like CallRail for this, but Google does offer a solution. So if you go under phone calls, calls to a phone number on your website. Continue. Calls direct from landing page or website, whatever. You can name this whatever you want. Category lead. Value. Don't assign a value, or you can. It's up to you. 1. Call length. Remember here, we're going to set the seconds where you want to be the minimum where it fires as a lead. We always do 25 seconds. You guys can do whatever you want. Create and continue. And this is important. Next step. We're going to install the tag ourselves. Remember, we're going to have the global site tag on every page of your website between the head tag, or if on a landing page, in your landing page between the head tag. And if you already set up the contact form submission, you don't need to do this again. It only needs to be on there once. Then we scroll down to phone snippet. We're going to have this one clicked, enter your phone number as it appears on your website. So right here, is the phone number that's going to be on your website. All right. So if it's all right, so let's say on our website, that's the only phone number everywhere. It's all over the place on the website, all right? We hit create snippet. We're going to take this little script tag here, and we're going to paste it between the head tag on every single page of your website, or if you're using a landing page, in the head tag of that landing page. All right, and what that's going to do is allow Google to crawl your page, and every time they see your main phone number on your page, they're going to swap it out when someone lands from AdWords traffic to show a tracking number that Google's going to track back to the keyword. So you'll be able to see which keywords are driving phone call conversions in your AdWords campaigns. Hit next, hit done, and that's it. You've set up conversion tracking to cover your ass pretty much when running your AdWords campaigns. Now we're tracking contact form submissions, we're tracking calls from ads with ad extensions, from call extensions, and we're tracking calls from the website that from someone from AdWords traffic. All right, so if someone lands on the website from AdWords and they click a phone number to call you, or they pick up their cell phone and they dial the number they see on the website, it's going to track as a lead in AdWords. All right, so if you guys have any questions about conversion tracking in AdWords or how to set it up, anything like that, drop that below in the comment section. Other than that, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're dropping content daily now, so excuse me, there's going to be a lot of really cool stuff coming down the pike. And also check out the links in the description. I put some stuff in there for you guys. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.